Hey everyone, Pierce Fraga here with Tide Property Management, and today I wanted to talk to you about a couple payment options we have at Tide. Obviously, the most preferred payment method for us is paying through your tenant portal, allowing us to be able to track payments that way. It's easy for everyone. You don't have to leave your house. You can set up on automatic payments, which is easy to not have to think about. It just pays rent on the first of the month. Our owners appreciate that as well, obviously. But we also offer a retail cash program, which if residents do decide to pay with cash, we've partnered with the Retail Cash program, which has retail stores, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, different places where residents can go and have a code associated to their account and pay cash that way, where they're given a receipt and proof of payment. Some residents prefer this as well, as they would rather pay cash than through the portal. We do this in an effort to make sure we're meeting the residents where they're at. Having cash payments or through the portal as an option as well allows residents to feel more at home, allow them to do what they think is the most comfortable, all while accomplishing the goal of getting the rent paid and ensuring that the residents want to renew year after year based off of the options that we're giving them. This is a great tool that we use, and I would highly encourage you offering multiple options to your residents should you be managing yourself. If you have any questions about how we collect rent payments from residents, I'd be more than happy to talk to you. I'm Pierce Fraga with Tide Property Management, and we look forward to hearing from you.